Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search bar, then type Chrome, click here to open it. Now in the search bar, type Zoom download and click here. Now click on the first link from the search results, which is from zoom.us/download. Now just scroll down and download Zoom client for meetings and click here to open it. As per your system type, you can download the setup file. Now start the installation process. Select S. Click on done. Now you can just follow my screen. From here you can sign up or you can sign in into the password. Keep me sign in. There we go. These are the options available on Zoom application. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.